Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Dev and today we are back with another unboxing video. Today we have a gaming glasses. So in today's day and age, we spend a lot of time before our laptops, before our mobile phone, basically electronic screen, and we need to protect our eyes from the blue light which comes in from your devices. So to protect that, this here is one product. This is the Esports GAMEi gaming glasses. So I have done a couple of unboxings and reviews of gaming glasses or computer glasses before. Also go check that. I'll put the link of that in the description below. So go check that out if you haven't. And let me show you on the box of this one, and then we'll do the actual unboxing. So the box is actually pretty good. This is a solid built box. So branding here, and Esports GAMEi gaming glasses. This is unisex, so male, female, anyone can wear this, and it claims to filter out 85% of blue light. So 85% blue light reduction. Okay, so here gaming glasses anti-sport. So I would say the packaging is very funky with yellow colors and quite nice with good graphics. And Esports provide gaming peripherals. They produce mouse and keyboards and gaming glasses this side, and they have something of a tag. Okay, and this set features. So scratch resistant. Okay, Blu-ray blocks, blue light harmful to the eyes, universal size, full rim frame. So this is matte finish, we'll get to that. Universal size, comfortable to wear for a long time, glasses with a light frame for increased comfort and durability. So lens and all those things, the measurements that have. Okay, coming back to the back side. So designed 2020 in the box, glasses, cleaning cloth and warranty card. Okay, so any modification will void the guarantee. So this has guarantee also. And importer. Okay, importer, so it is manufactured in China. All right, so 1 unit December. Okay, the MRP of this is stated as 2000 rupees, but you can get this for around 650 from Amazon. I'll put the link of that below, you can check that out from there. Okay, so same on this side. Let's go ahead and take this out. Okay, only this, I hope. Yes. Okay, very sleek. This is very sleek, I'll have to say. The case is cylindrical and it's quite sleek. So this is smaller than your usual glass case. So this is made of nylon, not plastic. So like this, a tag here. So let's open this. Okay, glass itself, nothing else, no wiping cloth or anything. Okay, wrapped in plastic. All right, very thin. And I would say again, this looks funky. Of course, this is from a gaming company, so it's expected. So rubberized here, this is rubber, and this here is matte plastic. And I would say the finishing is good, but you can say the yellow tint is quite a lot. So 85%, of course they have to. Let me show you another one which I did the unboxing and review a few days back. So this is from Zebriana computer glasses. So as you can see the difference of that one. So I will do the comparison of both of these glasses very soon. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see that. And if you compare to that, tint of this is very. My main concern with this is if you wear this will give a yellowish tint to everything. And if you are going to watch movies with this one, so that might be a problem because everything will be yellow on your eyes. So it's so yellow, it's almost orange. So with this, I really do not have that much of a problem. So it gives a yellowish tint, but it's quite alright. And also another concern is that the small size. So it's thin. I prefer a little bit of a wide lens, so that might be a problem. But I would say the finish of this is really nice. This is matte, and let me show you. This is how it will look. So a very yellowish tint. All right, so I will do the comparison of both of these very soon. Of course, I will do the comparison with the lens card also. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, check out one of the latest videos here. Goodbye.